Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Let me check if the audio is fine. I think it should be fine. Hello? And okay, it's working. Good morning, 4040p squad, guys. We have 2K now. Let's trade. Uh, I think our win rate is growing just because we have the HD now. Yeah. So if you have good internet, you can go on 4040p. So I'm short Doge. Yeah. Let me set this motherfucker to default, please. Bro, to default. You don't have default? Yeah, whatever. I was looking for Monday high sweep here. You can already see that the price has lost bulk in value area high. So I really like the scalp and maybe even here the take profit here at this bulk. And even if we speak about the potential channel here, you can see that I mean the price is really close to losing the channel. So I think we might have a trend line liquidity grab around here. We'll see. But it has an intermediate support. Um, I'm looking at this one because I have in confluence with Bitcoin. I think it will dump, and same Ethereum. Well, I have already a short on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know. I posted them on VIP. I didn't post them on VIP. I don't know. And I changed the charts to black because I cannot go with the white anymore. I'm sorry. I mean, maybe in the daylight I can, but at the nighttime I'll die if I do so. I mean, it's blasting my eyes. All right. Same stuff here. We can see that we had this aggressive week on 30 minutes. Let me show you. Yeah, 1 hour actually. Look at this aggressive week here. Yeah. And what actually the price did, it's consolidated the week at the 50% value. If we look at the fib retracement point of view, we see, yeah, we have a nice 0.5 retest here, and actually the price is rejecting. I'm not saying necessarily that the price will not sweep that high, but I already see the price forming some bearish structure here. And mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin, yeah, has swept Monday high here and had 3 rejections, which they formed liquidity here. So I'm not expecting them to be left like that, but we'll see. I mean, I expect them first to dump a little bit, maybe something like this, and then take the highs, reject once again at opening and stuff like that. I expect some kind of move that people will not be ready for. Something like this. That will trigger a lot of people and they will get really mad for why the Bitcoin is not pumping and stuff like that. But yeah, essentially, I'm even looking for a potential sweep of Monday low. Yeah. Hopefully, everything is all right with the quality of video and audio, guys. Let me know if everything is all right, please. Because I changed a bit the quality of video and I want to be sure that you see it better than it used to be. I mean, it should have way crisper and better quality right now. And this one is pretty basic stuff here. We had the 3 drives into Monday high. We swept the Monday high. Kind of a bearish pattern here. Look at 1 hour, the rejections. swing failure. This one at value area high, swing failure. The other one, 2 candles already swing failure. I think price needs a little bit of liquidity in order to move further, and that liquidity would come from a swing failure of these 3 equal lows in the 1 hour FEG. This one, it's a pretty easy. Well, my audio is at maximum. I cannot do anything, so it's just you. Maybe you have to adapt it. Pretty easy setup, high probability, 3.47 R. You can't go wrong with about 55, 60% win rate. And let me check something. If you guys have issues, yeah, just let me know. One second. Yeah, I see now. Okay, whatever. I was having an error for my resolution that is not accepted on 4K. So 3 drives into clear resistance area here. And you can see it even on high time frame. We have a clear area of S&R. I'm expecting the price to bounce from around here, which is exactly that FEG, which I was discussing about. We have a beautiful 50 minutes M. Yeah, I'll stop ranting about this. It's looking good, and I took it. Take this one out. I need only the poke. All right, price is just fighting at the poke right now. You don't want to touch it around here. You either wait for a potential swing failure of this equal highs here in the 61.8, then something like this. Or, you know the drill, next bus. You don't care. If the price is not coming to you, don't chase it. It's 5.8. Yeah. All right, this is Dogecoin. Also, I'm planning to long Dogecoin, but okay, let me show you. I would like to see a swing failure of this pivot low here, and then turn it into a scalp long, something like this. Once I get there. So I'll take like 75% profits here, then trail the rest. Because those 25% that I'll have left from my short, in case that I take a stop loss here, guess what? Those 25, they will make up for the loss, and net, at the end of the day, I'll be profitable. Okay, we have Dogecoin. Let's go on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I can see a potential swing failure here at the highs. We have a clear channel, beautiful channel, which we executed yesterday. Man, yesterday was a really, really, really nice day. So based off these weeks, I saw the channel getting bigger, and I just doubled it. And I had a good confluence here with this swing failure of these highs. Yeah, and I had a VWAP hovering exactly around here. And I went on 1 minute and I just scalped this, this 3-bar fractal, this M top here. And I had a really, really nice win. This one. Yeah. And I think we TP'd at 61.8. Yeah, we TP'd here. It was about 9. I think I entered even higher. I can't remember. I had like 9.8 R, something like this. and then I tip it here. I didn't went long because I made enough profits on that one. And I was really glad with what I made. So sometimes you really need to know when to stop and know when to say, okay, I made enough profits. I'm really glad with what I made. So let's go to the other one. But we had a really nice long opportunity here that I didn't took it. Yeah, as I mentioned. Uh, we'll do all sorts of requests, guys. No worries. So potential swing failure here at the equal highs. I'll play it. Let's add an alert. If I get a nice 3 minutes swing failure. Actually, I would like a big week here. But I don't know, the price looks a little bit exhausted, and what I think will have a big dump in the next minutes, yeah, next half an hour, next hour. Because the price looks a little bit exhausted. We have a 3 drives here already completed from this wave. If you look at this wave, it's the similar on this leg. But we can have one more swing failure of the highs here because just because they left like untapped liquidity 3 equal highs there, that makes me think that they might go for it. Something like this. But I would like a big week, something like this. Or as I mentioned, we can straight dump, pump, take the equal highs at the opening, dump again to FU everyone and say that this market is a scam. Okay. And Ethereum, not too fancy. I'm waiting for some long opportunities here in this area at 3.1 or even the swing failure of this low for a potential power of 3 in this area, little scalping stuff, not something incredible. But I think we will dump. It has the same stuff here. We can see already an M formed, retested, rejected already. Right now it's trying to break down from this bigger POC support. We have a POC here of the session. I took a short on 3 minutes from here. I cannot do anything to this one. And I have a stop loss a bit higher than that because if I target this liquidity down here, I think I framed at 2.5. Yeah, this is what I framed. So whatever. All right. Let's see some comments. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. No, I don't recommend either. I mean, I'm risk free. But guys, I'm telling what I'm doing. Don't do what I'm doing. All right. So I'm shorting everything. I long, I short, but I do that mainly for VIP because guys over there, I'm taking care of everything and I know that they can handle. But someone that doesn't have experience, it might get liquidated. About 1 a.m. here. Hey, good morning, Silva. Good morning, 64 people. Guys, smash that like button like no tomorrow. Smash it. Can look at ZRO. Zero. Let's check zero. I I don't think I ever looked at zero. Zero. And when you don't tell me the time frame, I'll have to assume that you want the daily. Well, not looking bad, but not looking great either. I think we have a sweet spot location here. I would look for a swing failure of this equal lows. I mean, this is not safe. And you can see there is nothing that will tell you that the price will recover from this downtrend right now. And there are no reason. I mean, we had the initial reason. Buyers had the occasion to step in here, but they didn't. And yeah, we had a nice bounce, but buyers, I think they took profits around here. Right now, if it wants to reverse, most likely it will go either for this equal lows here or at 3.3 or 2.9, swing failure of all this liquidity here. All right. I don't see a dump. I see that it's getting ready to pump, but we'll see. I mean, I'm not interested in babysitting a chart. You can see already that actually Bitcoin is holding POC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles on 30 minutes that are holding POC. As I said, it's looking, this is Ethereum actually, sorry. And it's above daily open. This is looking good. Ethereum is looking good, but Bitcoin, let me check the session volume profile. I mean, same stuff here. It's just holding above the POC area. So 1, 2, 3, 4 candles already on 30 minutes confirm that this POC is holding for the moment, and we are above daily open. So this is bullish. If you don't know scalping, don't don't short. All right. Could you check Neiro? Neiro. Didn't I mention that? Yeah. Well, this one it didn't want it to hold here. It should go for the next area, which would be around here. Most of the shitcoins they will dump like crazy. So until they will find proper liquidity, I don't see any potential reversal incoming on this kind of coins. Just my 2 cents. Yeah. I got lost for a moment. All right. Let's see the comments. Man, so many requests. Yeah, we might get Monday low swap. You never know. Maybe tomorrow at the news. Can you check render? I'm puzzled by the price, that price action. Hey, Farmer John. Hey, man. Nice seeing you here, man. Render. Yeah, I think so. Well, render. It goes for this weekly FEG here. Nothing to be puzzled about. Maybe you're too zoomed in, and that's why you find it harder. But there's nothing wrong with the chart actually. We have a bullish market structure shift from this point on a daily time frame. Price is just seeking demand. Yeah, can already see this trend line a little bit here. So maybe a swing failure of the lows in the trend line, and we can have a potential bullish pattern. But for the moment, we have absolutely nothing on it. I wouldn't count on it as a buy opportunity right now. Let's check WEEF. Farmer Jones said about WEEF. Well, yeah. I'm really interested in the swing failure of this low. I already had a line earlier, so I think a deeper dump and then reclaim, because this is the swing low which created a new high. So essentially, I think the price will try to reverse from that area. And I think we have a market maker sell model on 4 hours here. So we might reverse from this point. Looks like it's about to be done. But it's a buy opportunity in this area. I mean, $1, it's a good psychological level. However you might take it, it's a good psychological level. Man, so many comments, guys. I like it. Right. Potentially Monday low on Bitcoin, we never know. I'm just waiting. I'm following my plans. I'll not necessarily I mean, wait for Monday low. No, that would be a really damn good opportunity. But my next area too long is here at 100.5, something like that. So I have no reasons for just blindly wait for a Monday low, but I will take a long there if I get my opportunity. Arjun, no, don't enter any scalp short if you mm, don't have experience with scalping. Uh, let's check OP. Well, if we look at these three equal lows here, there is a pretty high probability for a dump below them, and then potentially reverse. I mean, look at this dump on daily. Don't just reverse from that. And it left equal lows here. So I'm thinking this. Man, hopefully I can keep up with the request, but MPC, same stuff, really simple. I mean, look here. And this is the previous all-time high, like the price where the exchange listed. Here was the listing, and here was the all-time high from that period. So you can see it reacted pretty aggressively, sellers, and now the buyer stepped in here. So anything below 139, it's good, I think. Arkham. Let's check Arkham. I want to buy some Arkham actually. I have some limit orders waiting. But it bugged the chart. Oh, seems like only this one it bugged. Close without saving. All right. Go weekly. Well, this weekly dump is not looking good, but you can see already the price is starting to find some demand here. Demand, demand, demand. It's descending demand, which is not that great, meaning that lower lows and lower highs. So we have a clear downtrend here. So maybe around the swing failure of the lows here at $1, that would be a good area to hop in. I'm not longing SUI. It's way too high for my taste. So I'm not charting or looking for any long on SUI, Anas. And yeah, I already have it charted. Short here at the red line, which I had a short here, a swing short. And long here in the blue box, preferably 51 to 46. So more dumping coming for Ena. Uh, I don't have any opinion about any project. What I think about AI projects, I think absolutely nothing. I care to make money, and that's everything that I care about. Yeah. Let's check Lulu. Dot on daily. Man, what's going on? All right. So dot on daily, we hit a demand area here, which I was looking for, and we closed pretty nice at daily. I mean, we didn't close it above this previous swing failure, and we see if we go on 50 minutes, we actually rejected from this one. So we found some resistance here. So I expect a little bit lower on low time frame, but um, essentially what I was looking for, it was a swing failure of this low. So I'm waiting for this stuff. That's why I'm still um, oriented on thinking short because we have so much uh, business down below there. We have a lot of undone business, unfinished businesses. Yeah, that's why I think that another dump. will be commencing soon. So that's why I'm thinking Bitcoin will dump from here, looking a bit too heavy. Actually, on a higher time frame, if I go on 30 minutes, yeah, let's go Bitcoin USDT. Actually, this one looks on a 1 hour time frame, looks just like an ABC correction for a potential AB equals CD. Yeah, if you go on now, let me get the scalping indicators off. So yeah, you can see already on 1 hour, really aggressive supply here. And actually, we swing failure the previous high, we swing failure Monday high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle. I think like a big dump, not big dump, but at least a 100K dump. It's coming in. Either we swing failure the highs once again, and we can get a really, really nice restore, or I don't know, I can get a 9R with the way that I'm scalping. I can go on 1 minute and find something like this. But I do think that this was just a corrective wave because we have left untapped liquidity. From my point of view, and this is something that I learned on my by charting a lot. If we front run 61.8, it's never a good thing. So that means this low it's not safe. This one here. That means I think that we have a potential ABC correction for a potential AB equals CD to the downside. I don't know. I might take this one, yeah, for something like this, or this one. That would give us a deeper pullback. But however you take it, even you can see actually the tap of the 4 hour FEG. So I think this 61.8 area at 97.31, it's not safe. But that doesn't mean, or that doesn't make me bearish at all. I'm really, actually, really, really bullish. um, yeah. And speaking about some major key levels, you can see this pivot high here, and price is just trying to stay above this pivot high. But we'll see if he will manage to stay, because we can actually confirm an M top here. Yeah, something like this with the target here. But we can even target lower. I don't know. We'll see. Level by level. I don't care where the market will be in 10 days from now. But you get my idea what I wanted to say. Man, I cannot keep up with you guys. I mean, so many requests. We have this 45 viewers that are constantly there. I really like it. Constantly 46 guys. Guys, can I ask you a favor, please? And I'll just go on with the request, please. If you didn't liked, comment, or retweeted that post, if you would like, only if you'd like, can you go and click that like or comment something? Stefan is ugly or anything like that, or retweet it. You get the idea. It's helping. Yeah. Thank you very much. If you already did it, you don't need to do anything. Um, Thank you very much, KK. I mean, I'm trading day in, day out. I don't care. Being bullish or bearish on scalping, I don't care. But when it comes to swing trading, I'm really bullish. Like the upcoming 2 months, 3 months, stuff like that. XMR, Monero. Yep, I was watching Monero. Monero is really strong, and I bought at 149 and 180. Nothing that I can do right now. I bought Monero. I loaded pretty heavy on Monero. If you want to buy now, no, don't buy now. Don't touch it. Actually, you can see it tap the first level of chaos here, the first resistance, and we can look for the next one around here. So 329 and then 500. So nothing that you can do right now on Monero. Just my 2 cents. It's too high. too fast for my taste. And right now, I will not do anything. I'm just riding my longs. I bought here and I bought here. I cannot do anything here. And actually, I was waiting for a swing failure of this liquid lows, which never happened. Next boss. All right. Q1 is bullish. Well, we'll see. Q1 didn't finish yet. We have lots of, I mean, at least 12 weeks, 14 weeks of Q1. So plenty of time for the Q1 to do its magic trick. Yeah. Um, Consider the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Should we stay away from any trades at all? I mean, general. Well, I said that actually I might take a holiday tomorrow. So yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, if you're not into trading too much, into scalping, and you don't know how to make a position risk-free and stuff like that, I would recommend definitely to stay away from the markets and just not trade. Money in your pocket, it's way better than money gave to the market. People are just getting into positions randomly without having a clue of what they're doing, and then they're losing a lot of money, and yeah, then they're complaining. I don't care what other influencers are bullish on. I don't see any reason to be bullish on this one. As I mentioned earlier, it's just going lower. I don't see anything bullish here. Not in the structure, not in anything, not on daily, not on weekly. Actually, it's looking as shit. So up to everyone. You look at the chart, you don't want to look at the influencers. The chart will tell you if it's bullish, not an influencer. Yeah. Yeah, Tao, it's performing insanely nice. And I mentioned about Tao. Some of you might know that, but I mean the old followers, they know about the 366 area, which I actually I think we were here at 681. I have the tweets over there, and everyone was saying, "Oh my God, we'll feel the week from here." Everyone was saying that we'll go like this, and I was like, "Oh, let's step back a little bit." And I think Tau will hit this $366 level, and you can see actually we perfectly tapped the 366, and now we have a nice and beautiful reclaim potential power of 3 here. We need a lot of buying pressure to be coming in and push the fuck out of Tau. You get the idea. I mean, if you're really bullish on Tau, this one should start performing now, yeah. Because otherwise, you remember my rant, some of you, it will turn to Kaspa. You want Tau to be staying in a range for 1 year, for 141 days. Actually, it's 1 year and a quarter. So if Tau is bullish and it will be a top performer of 2025, it should start moving now. Those are my 2 cents. All right. I'm short on it. I'm short on Bitcoin and I'm short on Dogecoin. Sir, your screen doesn't look clear. No, sir, but let's check it out. Why? My screen doesn't look clear. I think it's from YouTube. But I don't think I can change it right now. Mid session. Yeah, I cannot change them because I'm already streaming. But I'll change it the next live. Tia 4 hour took a hit recently. Well, hit or not, we have a nice W, but I'm not yet long on Tia. I want to get a really nice scalp long around here at the lows. I'm having a limit order. I posted on VIP that I'll be taking a long here. I'll be loading my bags aggressively at 3.70, 71. Come on, dump. I know you want to dump. All right. So yeah, I'm not yet long on TIA. I'm waiting for a dump. I made a mistake with the screen. I'm sorry. I put the output in 4K, and seems like YouTube is not it's not accepting 4K. But I'll do it next video. Next live. I'll take care of that one. I didn't knew that is not accepting 4K, so I'm sorry. Yeah, you remember you waited for the Tao when it was 600. Yeah, yeah. I was waiting since 600. When everyone was calling UK. When I started trading, let me tell you, I started trading about 758 days ago. But why I tell it like that? Because I didn't skip the day, guys. I didn't skip the day, and it was like 12 hours a day. So 8 to 12 hours a day for 758 days. You do the math after that. Yeah. All right. Anyone can do it. You just have to put the time and effort. Do you think Bitcoin will drop to 97? There is a probability, JJ. There is a probability which I'm taking into account. Yeah. That means that I'm prepared for that. That means that if it will dump to that area, I will be prepared with my scalp shorts for hedging, and I will be prepared to signals. Shogun. Well, Shogun here is one of my oldest students, and it's one of the oldest VIP members. This I absolutely love the VIP community. Thoughts on XRP? I have no intention on touching XRP with anything. I don't care about XRP too much. But you know what I'm waiting for actually here? I'm waiting to short XRP. We have a bullish structure here, so I think XRP will go one more time. But essentially, I see that the price is getting a bit tired, and if I get some divergences here at the highs, I might get a swing short just because it will retest this area here at the here. And but yeah, that's a daily plan that I have. So if I see actually I already have the alarm here, so I'm ready and waiting to get my swing failure in short here at 3.4, 3.6, depending on the price action. Actually, let's see at the maybe around here 3.7, depending on how strong the price action might be. I will short that one because you have a good risk to reward. And I think eventually this one will be turning into a range and potentially a Wyckoff distribution. We'll see. We'll see. You took your first trade. Yeah, that's when I took my first trade, Jade. And I made about 0.58 cents. I was risking, I think, $0.25 I was risking per trade when I started. Yeah. If you have time, look at the rune on 30 minutes. Let's check rune. We have a long on rune. I took mainly my profits around here, but let's check 4 hours. 1 week. All right. Well, let's delete everything here. The main point is that we are rejecting the area of demand. So what that means, it means that the price action will be seeking more liquidity. That being said, I think we'll see a further dump, maybe here at the top of yeah, this one was flipped already, so you can see it took it as a resistance. If I'll be looking at the next area of support, it would be around here. So dump further, dump further, but I'm insanely bullish. Location wise, guys, the market is looking, it's in a good location. Yeah, this one did a 14x. Uh, I don't see why we will not do another rally into this highs or this high here. And if you get a good average of your buy, you can get a 6x or 8.6x to um, your bags. So I don't know. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let me check how many likes do we have. 53. Not great, not terrible. Make it 60, guys. Make it 60. Disappointed on Fetch AI. Oh, yesterday got liquidated. Oh my god, man, that word. Oh, I'm getting sick when I hear that word. I'm getting sick. uh, oh, yeah, don't use that word. Well, we cannot be disappointed on a shitcoin, guys. You have to understand that. I don't get why people they are getting emotionally attached to some kind of shitcoin. We have a big wick to the downside here on the monthly time frame. Yeah, let's look at the 0.5, extend it, and boom. So technically, what it says that we should have another retest of this area. I mean, why you would have had a stop loss below 3 damn equal lows? I don't get it. I mean, you have 3 damn equal lows right there. That's a clear sign that okay, market wants to go lower. And even taking into account a potential fib level here, let's check a 78.6. Yeah, you can see actually 78.6. It's below this bullish candle. So you know, most of the time, price action in order to reverse will seek liquidity around here, or even retest 0.5 to have a demand confirmation. If you get the idea. Furthermore, well, if I'm looking at daily, man, yeah, uh, lots of liquidity below. I think the price it's going for the retest of this main W here. So I'm seeing something like this. So I don't know. Maybe you listen to your favorite influencer. You started buying here, so you got liquidated here. Well, good luck with that one. Good luck with that one. Yeah. Uh, Signal, sir. All right. Any idea about the rune dying coin? I have no idea. Is it possible to share your thoughts on spot zones on CRV and injective? Sure thing. CRV. CRV I'm not buying anymore because I bought here at 21 and I sold here at the swing failure of this high. I sold 70% of my bag, and I'm actually going to reload around here at this violation of 46 to 41. That's my area to reload my bags on CRV. And let's go on injective. Uh, Guys, injective turned into Caspa, just my 2 cents. I have a big bag of injective just because I don't know. I mentioned this on each live, but someone on Crypto Traders Arena shielded injective while it was $2, and I have a big bag just because of that. Um, I'm really disappointed on injective just because it's taking so much time, and I mean, if you have a coin like 413 days, that's not the best thing ever. Yeah. If it wants to be really bullish, well, I don't know. It should have dumped way more aggressive from this point into this area, which I pointed from a long time ago. 12 bucks. It needs to dump to 12 bucks. I know your favorite influencer is telling you to buy at 28 and 27 and 48. I saw it shield at 48, and actually I took a short, but I closed it there. But if you counter trade them, you'll see you'll have a very good win rate. Just my 2 cents. I did that, and I made some good money. But I know, and that's the way they are making money. They are shilling tops in order for you to be the exit liquidity. That's the name of the game. The name of the game is exit liquidity, guys. If you don't understand that, you will become their exit liquidity. They don't want you to make money. Don't be stupid. They want them to make money. All right. So think twice before aping in where your favorite influencer is telling you, buy this one. It's the bread and butter. It will change the world. Yeah. I don't know what to say about that one. So structure is still bullish. There is nothing bearish going on with this one, but the only bearish thing that I see massively is just the price taking too much time in this range, and I don't like that. I want to see strength, and I don't see it. Next one, Ave. Ave is a good example. I mean, this is where you see strength. So this is what I want to see on injective. This is what I want to see on Tau. I mean, Tau had a nice accumulation W. Let's say that Tau it's around here. Yeah, around here we got the retest that we wanted, and this is what Tau needs to do right now. If Tau doesn't want to become Kaspa 2.0 or Injective 2.0, then man, it needs to perform. Otherwise, the shit will hit the fan, and it will just turn into another Cabal coin. Just my 2 cents. So we need to see really, 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 really nice performance going on Tau. So I like Aave. I'm not a buyer here. I actually bought my first Aave around this W here. Yeah, I bought it with PJ. I remember about this one. I came in this place around 2022, around here, this area. Here I was learning, and here I started getting my bags. So I'm long from 67. Nothing that I can do right now. I bought long. I don't know, guys. Are you still having fun? Are you still having fun? 61 likes. Oh, you guys are doing a great job. Yeah, you said it, Anas. You said it. Actually, yeah. Hey, Salviar. Hey, man. Nice to see you here. I see you really active on X. So I'm. How do you say? I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the community that we have. I'm really grateful. Okay. All our shitcoins are dumping here. We have a intermediate area of support around here. Everything is a shitcoin, guys. Don't get attached to absolutely anything. Actually, we are confirming the bigger M's here. You can see the M. You can see the neckline. I'm short already. I mentioned on multiple times, but I don't want you to. Next bus always comes. Just keep that in mind when you're trying to FOMO in something. And don't forget, guys, a stupid guy with a plan, it's way more profitable with a smart dude without a plan. Keep that in mind always. All right, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. A stupid dude like me with a clear plan, it's way more profitable than a smart dude without a plan. So I think that will help you staying out from those shield coins, shield tops. You get the idea. Let's have some fun. Paul, all right. Can we get 70 likes? Is anyone here who didn't hit a like? Man, thank you guys. Really, really grateful. Really grateful. Let's see PAL. PAL USDT. Well, I had some squiggly drawings here. Let's remove absolutely everything. Well, this was a nice move here. A nice area to buy. Let's go on daily. So monthly, we tapped the demand, but we have another demand here. Mm. Mm. We had this flat bottom here on weekly candle. It's already tapped. 0.5 was already retested of this week. Not too much information on a weekly time frame. Daily looks like an ascending channel here. The price is trying to hold the channel. Not looking great, not looking terrible. I mean, I can see this one pumping from here. Do I have it on futures? PAL USDTP. Yeah, I have it on Mexi. Actually, I might long PAL. Or maybe I should buy something, some of it actually. It's not looking bad at all, guys. It's not looking bad. It's not yet bullish. I mean, this controlled sell-off. I don't know if some VCs or who's doing that, but this is controlled sell-off. Um, but it's not looking bad. I think it needs a flat bottom for the moment. Maybe retest this area of supply, reject, consolidate a little bit more between these lines. Maybe swing failure, kind of power of three, have a nice reaction here, bullish market structure shift, and then higher. I can see this one happening on PAL. So not bad. Not looking bad at all. You guys are beat 64 likes, man. Thank you. Ethereum macro. I don't have any macro, but I think Ethereum will hit 8,000. I mean, I have a little plan on Ethereum. Ethereum USD. I still have it drawn here. Yeah. Yeah. So mainly, I think this is the bottom on Ethereum, this area. But I don't think it matters what I think. I just bought the easiest trade. My logic is that we have the easiest trade here. The easiest trade is just Ethereum taking the all-time high. So you have a 65% on a bag that you might want to allocate with a pretty high probability. I would give about 90% probability for Ethereum to take the high. So you have 65% profits with a probability of 90%. I don't know, but that sounds good to me. So I bought a bag. Good morning. Hey, Alexandro. What do you think of OM? Well, that coin is strong as hell. I don't know what's going on with OM, but I saw it dripping and dripping. I managed to nibble around $3, but I didn't bought a big bag because I was saying that, all right, I will. If this is not alt season, I don't know what it is. Look at this one, but I wouldn't be bullish here. It looks like. Let's see. It's not looking great. I wouldn't want to short this one necessarily because I know it's quite a strong coin. Let's go on out. Yeah, looks like a potential bull flag. AB equals C to the upside. One more swing failure. I'm not touching this one. I'm not touching it. Okay, can you look at RVN? I've heard of this coin. Oh my God, so much liquidity here. Yeah, put a limit long order around here at 1.5. Can take a look at WLD, your favorite Shiller's coin, WLD. I bet it was Shield here and they took profits and people bought it. I bet it. I'm not following any of them, but I might be looking for a swing failure of the lows here at 1.2023. Yeah. Just go on 2 December to 9 December, and if you see them shield the coin, then you will know that they sold in your head. That's how you know they're actually using people as exit liquidity. Well, actually, it wasn't an M. If we look at 1 hour, it just took liquidity. Maybe we have a drive here to take all this liquidity to the upside. We'll see, something like this. But this is quite a strong coin, strong reaction here. We'll see. Same stuff with Dogecoin, but Dogecoin is under POC, so we can. But I'm still looking for the swing failure of this highs. Still looking for that one. We'll see. Or maybe it's just dumping from this area. I don't know. I don't have the crystal ball at me. Guys, you guys are beasts for real. I mean, 64 likes. Thanks. 65. All right. ACH. I've been longing since 1.6. That's good. Let's check ACH. And then we'll look at some. Ooh. Isn't this with the China narrative? It's not looking bad. I mean, our demand was holding here. Not looking bad. Too high, too fast. It will slowly consolidate. I think people will be taking slowly profits, so I will not do anything on this one. We had which one? Not alchemy. PHB. PHB. We had a nice pump on PHB here, and you see already I had a buy limit orders at 1.2, 1.12, and 1.22, and we had a nice bounce from them, 31%. I loaded up some bags here. It's a bit premature to think that. I think this is the local top, to be honest, around here. Maybe one more swing failure of this one. Yeah, something like that. Even a swing failure of Monday high, retest the lows, and then if I see a nice GCW, we might target the highs here, and we'll be speaking of actually about a range. Yeah, it was a strong candle. Now it's not looking that good anymore. Strong rejection actually. Oh my god, you guys are killing me. I never charted so many coins in my life in such a short amount of time. All right. What do you think about Cardano? Long play? No. I'm done with Cardano. If you want Cardano, ask PJ. He is the master of Cardano. He bought it at 0.0 something. I'm GLQ. GLQ, no way, you know what you know. GLQ actually, I have one limit order filled and I'm waiting for the next one. I got my buy order on GLQ. I'm waiting for the next one. I'm accumulating. What's below 0.5 to 0.2? I'm accumulating this area. I like GLQ a lot. I think it can pull a nice 0.4. That's my target. 0.42, something like that. So you can make a 13R, which is not bad. 13 X actually. Yeah. Oh, I cannot keep up with the request. Fartcoin USDT. Well, blow off top here. I think the days of Fartcoin are numbered. I would wait for a swing failure of these lows. Do we need logarithmic for this? Not necessarily. So yeah, I would look for a sweep of these lows. Actually, let's put an alarm here. Good opportunity. So lower, Jupiter. Jupiter. No, I bought Jupiter around here at 70, 80. And actually, we have a free coin airdrop. But right now, no, thank you. Right now, no, thank you. I think actually it's a bit too late. I mean, you see this M already on 1 hour. Uh, no, thank you. I think this one will dump. First area of take profit would be this neckline of the W, and then maybe something around here. 89. I think it's dumping to 89 cents. Just my point of view. So I think we do something like this. Midterm, yeah, I can see it hitting $3 easily. 3.5. Oh my god, you guys are killing me. Micro. I will take I mean, I think I'll take like 4 more requests and that's it. Not we have demand there. Retested demand nicely. Not looking terrible, but it looks like wants to range a little bit more here. I would be looking for a potential entry, yeah, around here at 1.6. Not looking bad. Kill guy is going to zero. Kill guy. I mean, literally is going to zero. That was just a wave coin, and I'm not interested in that one. Nothing. Litecoin. I think we had a long on Litecoin, if I'm not wrong. Man, this flat bottom, yeah, most likely Litecoin will dump. Maybe swing failure of Monday high here. Yeah, actually, let's look for a short. I look for a short here. That flat bottom candle looks really juicy for a take profit. Mm, maybe a bit higher, but yeah, I would like to short it. It's looking shortable. Uh, from the line. Well, that's the way to learn, uh, Arnas. What's my stop loss on Bitcoin? Why would I tell it? I think I framed a 5 to 1, if I'm not wrong. Or yeah, 4 to 1. This is my stop loss. 665. Yeah, that's I had a 4. This is the trade. Man, let's see how much time we spend. I've been ranting for 1 hour and 3 minutes. You guys killed me. I'm sitting with a book and pen and took like 100 screenshots. You need to learn how to read the explosive. You should quit gaming and start reading like different phrases. Let's see Discord. I think we have some degen calls going on. Ah, Tolga. Tolga posted something. Ah, you guys are trading without me, so Tolga posted a short. I like it. Where does it go? Okay, however, okay. So Tolga is short on Bitcoin. He posted a nice short here. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Mm, yeah, I like Tolga point of view there. Let's check if we have any degen calls this morning. Hmm. It's a chill morning, seems like. It's a chill morning today. Vanri. Oh my God, Vanri. It remembers me about influencers, this one, because I saw it only on influencers. Man, I saw Vanri shield. It was, I think, around here. It was shield, and I was looking at this one. I said, "Well, dump," but I saw it shield on my timeline here like crazy. Buy Vanri, buy Vanri. Yeah, I mean, it's going where it started. I think Vanri it will be going around here at 0.558. I don't see any support. I don't see. I mean, he's not finding any support in this area. So what my shorts are doing, they are doing well. Yeah. Oh, it's over. I mean, I don't know, but when some influencers are starting to cabal a coin and they start to sell their free coins that they receive from the even I get a lot of offers, guys, to shield that, and the money they are pretty nice, but I think you never saw me shilling some anything, and I'll keep it that way. But I mean, you get hefty money like 40,000, 20,000. They get that amount of coins to shield them, and actually they are selling those coins in the market. So that's why they want them to pump so much in the top, and that's why they shield them at the top, because they need exit liquidity for their bags. They need to sell big bags, big amount of money. Um, and they need you guys to buy it so they can sell it. Yeah, we never shield anything. I don't care about that. If you want to learn how to trade, I'm here. Paul is here, and our gladiators are here, but nothing else. Well, it found some intermediate support, but I mean, look at this equal lows. If I get 25 on my say, I think I'll buy with 4 hands if I see it here, and I think there is a probability to see it there. So I spoke about Tao cricket. Go at the beginning. I don't know, minus 12, I don't know, something like that. So I already spoke about it. Um, Fala. Holy moly, I never heard of Fala. PHA. PHA. Actually, I posted this one on VIP if I'm not wrong here. Now I remember about it because we made some good money with it. Well, let it come home. Let it come home. Maybe retest of 1.4, 0.14, sorry. That's a good buying area. Pepe Lepe, Pepe. Had a nice distribution wyckoff here at the top. Ah, no, I don't know, but around here at 1, I think would be a good area. And I'm done. Done with the request, guys. Let's check, do a little wrap up of the trades here and what I'm expecting for the market. Ugh, because I'm done. Done with the request. My mouth is. You can do a round of applause and cheers and stuff like that if you want. But no more requests, please. uh, yeah, Kill Bill actually it's a VIP member, and same with Bookwood. 68 like, guys. Let's make it 70, and let's see what we have here. So I said it. It's looking exhausted. Dogecoin is looking exhausted here. Swept the Monday high. We have supply forming, and I think we'll dump. I'll take partial take profits here, 75% of my short. Then I'll trail the rest. I'm interested in getting long here on Doge. Bitcoin, I'm still short. If I get my stop loss hit, I will look to short again a string failure of the highs. I'm aiming to long around here or around this area. Yeah, I would like to long. Short here, simple. Ethereum, same stuff. Ugly, boring price action. We are above the daily open. I think the same stuff on Ethereum. Yeah, we're above on Bitcoin. Yeah, we're above the daily open. So that's not bearish actually. But I think the market is waiting for a quite a violent move, and I think we'll see something like this. Yeah, it looks like it wants to bring some volatility to the downside because we had a really nice upward move and nothing to the downside. So late longs, they could be taken out before continuing to higher. That's my thesis for scalping. Now I'm not taking any other requests, guys. Sorry. I've been blabbing away for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and my mouth it's already hurting. Guys, if you want to trade, so if you want to learn trading, please do it properly. Stop speaking about liquidation. Stop speaking about in terms of um, yeah, you get the idea. If you really want to trade, just invest in some education and stop trading. So if you see that you're not making money, just stop trading, guys. The first um, thing that you need to do. So if you see that you're consistently losing money, why are you continuing doing the same stuff over and over again if it's not bringing you any benefit? So if you really want to learn how to trade, invest in education. If you want to join us, we are here. We are teaching everyone live stream day in day out how to trade. You can join Capua One if you are a beginner, or if you already know how to invest, how to swing trade and stuff like that. You can join Capua Two, where I'm the teacher and I will teach you how to get in this really fancy scalp trades on low time frame. Um, and if you want to join VIP or premium, VIP is the area where I'm trading. I don't accept too many people, and it's actually closed right now. Yeah, it's actually closed. I'll open it in 1, 2, 3 days. In 3 days, I'll open the VIP. Um, if you want to book a spot, just let me know. And guys, level up your uh, posture, level up your way of trading, level up your way of being, become a better self. Stop, stop doing that what you're doing if you're not profitable. All right, please stop. If you're not profitable, stop it. Um, Focus on education a lot because you have a lot of things to learn. Even I have lots of things to learn. Yeah. Yeah, for VIP, exactly. You can join only 5 days a month because I want to focus trading. I don't want to focus on DMs, on babysitting request. I want that. I want that. Well, I don't want that, or I really don't want to focus on that kind of stuff. All right. I want to focus on trading, and it's really exhausting. I mean, it needs all my attention. Thank you very much for likes. We hit 70. I'm really happy with that, and I'm proud of this community. Really proud of this community. Well done, guys. But I mean, yeah, if you want to join now, the only exception is if you pay in batches of 3 or 6 months. That's true, yeah. You can join now on VIP. That's true, but only via the batches, the packages. All right. Yeah, I'm short already, but doesn't mean it will be a win necessarily. I can take a stop loss easily and then short again at the highs here. And in 4 days, I will start Capwat, you guys. I will start Capwat, and I'm really eager for that. Oh my God, 6,000. You could have made Capwa 1 and 2 and then start having an account with those money. Up to everyone. That's how it's going if you don't know how to sail these markets. You will become exit liquidity for the influencers mostly. I mean, that's life. Only you are capable of changing it. That's the idea. If you don't want to change anything, nobody will be able to do it for you. All right. So that being said, guys, I'll be live with PJ in few hours, 4 hours, I think, 5 hours, something like that. If you want to join, hop up on the New York trading session. If you don't want, up to you. Do whatever you want, whatever you like. Thank you very much for being here, and we'll hear you in the next trading session. Bye bye.